Okay, part 2 here. Now I've got the USB to TTL converter set up with a C# program running on my main computer. Here's the little chip here. It's a Silicon Labs, and there's ground starting from the left to right. There's a ground, and then it's TX, RX, and then 5 volts. So I got the ground hooked up, and I had the TX hooked up, and it didn't work. So I reversed it and put the on the RX, and then it seemed to work. So they might have it mislabeled, possibly. Anyways, I have that running down to the 324 that's receiving. Same setup as before, just with this USB to TTL converter. Now on my, you won't be able to read this very well on my computer, but I have a C# program running, and I've got an instance of the serial port class set up, and I've got it running on COM7, 9600 baud rate, parity set to even, and 8 bits with I think it's one stop bit, and I'm writing 1 byte. In this case, I wrote 7E. And 7E is 0 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones and another 0. Now when you look at my output, basically I have the same thing, except this LED is always on. But if you just take the rest of the number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ignore the red LED at the end, that's not part of the circuit. I've got 6 ones, and I've got a 0 at the end. This is for 7E hex. So it matches up good, except for this this LED here, which is always never works properly. But the rest of the number is sent. It seems to work properly. I'll try. Let me try one more before I finish this video here. I will try. Let me see. I'll input. Hold on a sec, bear with me. I've got to find my hex table. I will try, let me see. I'll try hex 73. Alright, so 73 should be 0111011. So let me input it here into my C# program. Alright, 73. Okay, I'm going to write hex 73. I'm going to use the port.write function to write that. And basically I have a little Windows program set up. And when I hit the transmit button, it'll initialize it. Now one other thing I noticed, when I hit the transmit button the first time, it doesn't do anything. So I have to hit it a second time. And when I hit it the second time, there, okay, so now I've got a change here. So it should be 0 with 1, 2, 3 ones. So if we ignore the first LED, we've got 1, 2, 3 ones. Then it should be 2 zeros, which it is, and then the last 2 are 2 ones. So it transmitted everything except this first LED. This thing is always wrong. I don't know if it's a 7-bit ASCII encoding or what the heck's going on. If you got any ideas, let me know. Thanks.